Let's learn alphabets. Light pink color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, green color, red color, sea green color, grey color, sky blue color, purple color, pink color, black color, brown color, blue color, blue color. A for apple. Orange color. B for ball. Green color. C for cat. Light green color. D for dog. Red color. E for elephant. Pink color. F for fish. Yellow color. G for grapes. Blue color. H for horse. Orange color. I for ice cream. Green color. J for jug. Light green color. K for kite. Red color. L for lion. Pink color. M for monkey. Yellow color. N for nest. Blue color. O for orange. Orange color. P for parrot. Green color. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rabbit. Red color. S for sun. Pink color. T for tiger. Yellow color. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for van. Orange color. W for watch. Green color. X for xylophone. Light green color. Y for yak. Red color. Z for zebra. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Black color, grey color, green color, brown color, sea green color, purple color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, light green color, orange color, sky blue color, red color, light pink color, triangle, square, circle, hexagon, heart, oval, diamond, pentagon, brown color, triangle, pink color, square, green color, circle, purple color, hexagon, red color, heart, blue color, oval, orange color, diamond, sky blue color, pentagon. Let's revise. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, heart, oval, diamond, pentagon.